This 5-minute style lasted me all week long. Stay tuned to see how it all turned out. So shout out to one of my subscribers, Pink96 Lover. She added a comment on my last video on the part I gathered my hair up, and she said it will make a cute high ponytail. So thank you for that idea, girly, because that's exactly what I did. So this style turned out to be super quick, easy, and convenient. I used to rock this look all the time back in the day when I was doing my wash and goes. Then I thought, you know what? She's right. I haven't worn this style in forever. And honestly, it's really simple to do, so I figured why not bring it back. Now, I couldn't quite remember how long it used to last, so I decided to give myself a little challenge to see if I can make this last an entire week without manipulating in my hair too much. Let's see how I did. But before we do, I would like to say I'm not a makeup expert, but I do like to throw on a little something from time to time. Some lipstick, a little eyeliner, some mascara. I don't go for a full face often, but this lipstick right here, it's my absolute favorite. I've been wearing it for a while now, and it's the Jeffree Velour liquid lipstick in the shade Redrum. And I love it that it's not too much, it's not too little, but it's just right for me. Bold enough to pop, but still wearable, and I love it. Now to top it off, I like to pair the lipstick with a little lip gloss, just to seal the deal. This one is the Milani Lip Plumper in the shade First Kiss, and most of the time, I do stick with a matte lip. But when I'm in the mood for a little shine and glimmer, this gloss is my go-to. And it does give like a perfect finish without doing too much. And that's what I like the most about it. I don't want it to look like I just got through eating some fried chicken.
Take it down, down. Would you try to get? Take it down, down. Take it down, down. Would you try to get? Take it down.
If you're enjoying the content so far, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.
They were never your people to begin with. 4. The feminine glow-up rituals that change everything. Radiant Rebels, your glow-up isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling powerful in your body again. The kind of rituals I'm about to share aren't just trendy routines. These are nervous system resets. They're how you come home to yourself. I used to wake up and immediately scroll, rush, and react. I was always in my head, disconnected from my body. But when I started doing things like mirror talk, looking into my own eyes and speaking to myself with love, everything shifted. I added dance breaks to shake off anxiety. Journaling became a place to process emotions instead of performing for others. And somatic movement, that's where the magic really happened. I stopped trying to control everything in wisdom and fire. When you speak from that place,
take it down, down. Would you try to get? Take it down, down. Take it down, down. Would you try to get?
I just want to take a moment to give a special shout out to all of my subscribers. We are so close to hitting 2K. Yes, Thank you for vibing with me, supporting the content, and being a part of this journey. Y'all, thank you to my channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You are awesome. Your extra support truly means the world to me. And if you're not a member yet and would like to be, I'd love to invite you to join. You'll find the link in the description and in the comments below. There are a few different tiers starting at $3.99 up to $9.99 per month. So you can choose the one that vibes best with you. And to all of my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy you're here. Let's keep growing together.
Don't take it down. Would you cry or would you try to get? Take it down. Tell me now, I want you to be glad. Tell me now, I need you to be glad. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
So we made it to day 5 with the same high ponytail, and I'm very happy to report it actually lasted all the way to the end with little to very little manipulation. Now I'll admit I didn't wrap my hair at night at all like I should have, but honestly, if I had wrapped it up at night, it could have been a true no manipulation style. I don't know, that's probably a stretch, but since I'm now sleeping on a satin pillowcase and satin sheets, I've been doing the most. I've been going to bed with no scarf and no bonnet, nothing. And that's a big change for me because I used to faithfully wrap my hair up. If it's not a scarf, it's a bonnet, and sleep with them every night. But lately, I've just been forgetting, and I kept trying to remember to remind myself to throw a scarf on, gel it down, throw a scarf on. But no, it never happened, but it actually still worked out. I'm really pleased with this style and pleased that it held up pretty good. So thank you, Pink 96 Lover, for the inspiration. Please be sure to watch any of these videos next. Thank you.